For the blizzard warning, blizzard conditions expected. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Dangerously cold wind chills to 40 below zero. The main impacted area includes portions of central, north central, and west central Wisconsin. The main impact time is for the winter storm warning until 6 a.m. Friday. For the blizzard warning, from 6 a.m. Friday to 6 a.m. Saturday. Impacts: plan on deteriorating travel conditions. Widespread blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. The dangerously cold wind chills as low as 40 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Visit 511wi.gov for road conditions.